In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top, or selecting this icon at the top left corner and clicking on Clipboard here. Either way, after tapping on it, click on this switcher at the top right corner to activate it. Then, to use it, you need to copy or cut any text. Click on it right away at the top of your keyboard, or selecting Clipboard and pasting it by clicking on it over here. To pin one of your added sentences, select this pen at the top right corner, tap on the chosen one and click on this pin icon. If you want to unpin it, you need to do that the same way. If you wish to delete one of your added sentences, tap on the pen, click on the useless ones, and use this pin next to the pin at the top right corner as well. Lastly, to disable Clipboard completely, tap on the switcher at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!